Hello everyone, in this video we provide a solution to this question given to us. We are asked to find the value of m given that 7 to the power of 5 m plus 1 minus 7 to the power of 5m minus 1 is equal to 48. So at this point, the first thing we do is that we focus on the left hand side and we are going to apply the laws of indices. Now, recall that if I have a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. Also, if I have a to the power of m minus n, this is equal to a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. So we apply these rules at the left hand side. The equation becomes 7 to the power of 5m times, since I have addition here, multiply by 7 to the power of 1 minus I have 7 to the power of 5m divided by, since I have subtraction here, 7 to the power of 1. Everything is equal to 48. So the next thing we do here is to factor out 7 to the power of 5m, since it is common at the left hand side. So we have 7 to the power of 5m factored out. At this point here, I'll be left with 7, because 7 to the power of 1 is still 7. I will have minus 1 divided by 7 equal to 48. Now this becomes 7 to the power of 5m. Open your bracket, I have 7 minus 1 divided by 7 equal to 48. Now at this point, we can take LCM here, and our LCM is 7. So therefore we have 7 to the power of 5m. Open your bracket. At this point, we have 7 as the LCM. 7 divided by 1. At this point, we have 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Minus 7 divided itself is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Equal to 48. So we have 7 to the power of 5m. 49 minus 1 is 48. We have multiplied by 48 divided by 7 equal to 48. So we can push 7 to this part and then divide it by 48. So we have that this is 7 to the power of 5m equal to 48 times 7 divided by 48. So 48 can cancel itself. I'll be left with 7 to the power of 5m equal to 7. But recall that 7 to the power of 1 is still 7. So I can add 1 as the index. So at this point, since their bases are the same, we can equate their powers. So we have 5m is equal to 1. Therefore, m is equal to 1 divided by 5. So at this point, we can check if our solution is correct. So the question is 7 to the power of 5m plus 1 minus 7 to the power of 5m minus 1 equal to 48. Now, the value of m is 1 divided by 5. So we have that 7 to the power of 5, open bracket, 1 divided by 5 plus 1 minus 7 to the power of 5, open bracket, 1 divided by 5 minus 1, and everything is equal to 48. So we want to confirm if the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So 5 will cancel out from the index. So I'll be left with 7 to the power of 1 plus 1 minus 7 to the power of 1 minus 1 and equal to 48. Now at this point, 1 plus 1 is 2. I have 7 to the power of 2 minus 1 minus 1 is 0. I have 7 to the power of 0 equal to 48. Now 7 to the power of 0 is 1 and 7 squared is 49. I have 49 minus 1 equal to 48. So therefore at this point, at the left hand side we have 49 minus 1 is 48, which is equal to the right hand side 48. Thus, the value of m is equal to 1 divided by 5. Thank you so much for watching, and if you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us with a like and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.